Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set your trading time on the Quotex trading app. It's quick and simple, but also very important for planning your trades effectively. To get started, go ahead and open your Quotex app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you do, you should land on the main trading screen where you see the chart. Now look just below the chart and you see a panel with various settings. Among them, you'll find the trading time option. It's usually displayed next to the amount you're planning to invest. Tap on the time and it will open a list of possible time durations you can pick from. So if I clicked on say 17:29, you see that it updates automatically. This will become my trading time. There's also the set manually button, which allows you to input your preferred trading time. As you can see, you can manually type your preferred trading time like 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even longer durations depending on your strategy. Just a word of caution, whatever time you set is the expiration time for your trades, meaning that's how long your trades will run before it automatically closes. So always choose your trading time based on solid market analysis. Shorter times mean faster results, but they also come with higher risks. Now that's it. You've successfully set your trading time on the Quotex app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos and simple tutorials.